Alright, so we're hanging out with Alex Aiono. I don't really think you need much of an introduction. I mean, he's well known for, you've got your YouTube, you've got just your music career.
Thank you.
You've also been in some YouTube original series?
Yeah. Wow. You did some homework.
I did. So tell me a bit about that.
That was kind of my first. I had been making a little bit of YouTube videos here and there, but then I was just kind of going out on acting auditions, and I ended up booking one that was for a YouTube series, and that was kind of my first introduction into like YouTube again after I'd kind of started it a little bit. That was kind of the first like, okay, YouTube is now where I'm gonna start like building a real fan base and kind of going out. And so we had a lot of fun. We shot it on a cruise ship, and it was kind of just like love stories, on a cruise ship. And we did it 4 seasons, which was so much fun. But yeah, it was super fun.
Oh, nice. And so I suppose YouTube sort of being the platform that you really stuck to. Do you plan on always sort of keeping a lot of focus of your career on that YouTube series, or just your YouTube alone?
A lot of people have been asking that a lot recently, especially because I've been posting a lot more. I've been doing a lot more like original music, and kind of a lot of artists that I know or that have in the public that came from social media. Once they go, over into the traditional music, they start releasing original music. They kind of stop doing covers or anything. I think to me, I just want to have fun. So it's like I still have fun making covers and mashups and making videos, and so I'm gonna still do them. And maybe one day will come and I'm gonna be like, I don't like it anymore. It's not fun, and then I'll probably stop. But I think there's something fun to kind of paying homage to an artist that you really like and covering their song.
Yeah, because your covers are super popular.
Oh.
Like super. Like the stats sort of speak for themselves. And I see you sort of. You have your covers sort of. You film them in that little studio. Is that where you've recorded a lot of your original music, or
No.
do you have a proper space?
It's funny because that's actually my parents' living room.
Oh really?
Yeah, their apartment. So I did all my covers there, and I've recorded there. Like it's funny on one of my songs, "Work the Middle." Actually, all of the ad libs were super last minute, and I didn't have time to get into a studio, so I did record them in that living room. But most of the time we'll go into like a proper studio, or I'll be in a session with the other writers and producers, and they'll have different setups.
So actually, speaking of that, you got to what would it be your most recent or latest record with T-Pain?
Yeah.
So how was recording that, man? Did you actually get to be in the studio with them recording it?
It's funny, we didn't even meet until the music video.
Oh yeah.
Because just the way that's how the music industry works. A lot of the time is they had sent it my way, and we kind of worked on it a little bit. We sent it back to them. They worked on it a little bit. They sent it back to us. We worked on it a little bit. So while we were recording the song, we didn't even meet. And then once we shot the video for it, that's when we started. That's when we met for the first time and got to hang out.
Nice. Because that music video too, by the way, is amazing.
It's crazy.
You got the 3D.
Yeah, the 360 kind of. It's weird.
What was it like filming that? Because I seen in the video, you were in 4 separate places at once. What was it like actually recording that?
It's definitely like different. I'd never filmed something like that. It's a lot of where I feel like when you're shooting music videos, you do a lot of takes, and then afterwards you kind of edit it all together. This one is a lot of like one take, like for one. Obviously there are 4 of me, so we had to do 4 different takes, but a lot of those were one take. And then they just kind of stitched it all together. So it kind of reminded me of live performance, because you have to do it right. You have to do it perfectly that one time. But at the same time, it was just such a cool experience, because we've been fortunate enough to shoot a lot of different music videos, and getting to do this one completely differently was really, really fun.
Oh, that's good, man. So you've got your concert tonight?
Yeah, it's awesome, especially my dad's from out here, and he's half Māori, half Samoan, and so getting to come out here to where my dad grew up, it means a lot to me that we get to come out and play shows and sell them out.
All right. Well, is there anything you'd like to sort of say to any of the fans or listeners? Anything?
Oh man, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the love and the support, and giving me the opportunity to even come out here and play shows and have fun, and I'm excited for the new music that's going to be coming out very soon.
All right, and before we finish up, one Samoan song.
Just one Samoan song.
And we're not going to judge you on that, because you probably know more Samoan than me.
Oh man, I don't know. If you don't know this song, then that's the only way that I know more Samoan.
I don't know all the words to it.
Okay,
I'm not going to sing.
Try and sing. You're not going to sing along.
You're the talent here.
All right, I'm going to see if I can. Hold on. Sa vale vale means go for a walk. Tele tala tala means too much talk. Alofa tioi means I love you. Take it easy, vai vale mu. That's all I got.
Yeah, that's the only one.
That's the one.